just doesn't have any. So we're just breaking off the glass off the wall. So we're putting this on so we can protect the glass from smashing towards our faces. Okay, so I'm using a grab adhesive that is designed for tiles to go on a wall. It's a bit more expensive this way, but if you don't want to mess around with grout, then there's one way to go. Right, so I'm going to have to cut the nozzle a bit fatter. Like that. So I'll pause the video now. Well, I need to start handing them to me. Yeah, you can keep producing. So
Oh, then it says, can you give this hand because I've got 2 tabs.
In there, yeah. Yeah, I know, I have to do them. It doesn't.
Okay, stop fighting.
Dad, I need your help. Job well done, mate. This is where we got up to today. Done a tiling on top of there, even though they don't match, but that's the best we could do. This is just doing minimum renovation. But yeah, painted to some extent. Needs another coat on some areas and little snags like there. Yeah.